What's up, guys? Big John 496 here. Jumping old Yoder here, run down to a buddy's house of mine. Check out his little Corvair he's working on. Here at my buddy's house, checking out his Corvair. What year is it?
62.
1962.
I think it's got a 61 front on it though. Somebody's done some body work to it. Looks like it's been in a front end collision at some point.
It's a fairly straight car.
Yeah, it's fairly straight. It's not. They didn't do a terrible job on it. You can kind of see where they cut it.
Yeah, that'll buff out. We were talking about the custom fender plastic he's got going on here. That's custom.
On the floor.
4-speed car.
Actually, it's a power glide car.
Power glide car.
It's gonna be a 4-speed.
It's gonna be a 4-speed car.
Motor's not in it.
Motor is currently out being built. It's in there on the bench.
Yes. Built.
Built.
Look at all that truck space there. Yeah, those of you that don't know, this is a rear engine car. Air cooled. Small block or straight six of any kind.
What do they call those? Flat 6, flat 4?
Pancake
Motors?
It's a flat 6 motor. It's kind of like the old Volkswagen engine, sort of.
But yeah, anyways, there's that. If y'all want to see more of it, let us know. We'll put it on here. I thought you knew.
How would I have known?
Oh.
You think that'll seal?
Yep. Sure will. It's got a gasket on it.
It's a really thin gasket though. And I hate to use
It's pretty good.
I hate to use anything on it because I don't want it to.
The only thing I'll be able to go there, but I think that's a little bit of pity.
You keep screaming at me.
Let them scream. It fuels a fire.
Fuckers. I've seen one YouTube just screaming at people for using the damn razor blades. Really?
Should bring the bench grinder over and plug it up and just hold it up to it.
Take that junk motor I got and pull out an angle grinder and start cleaning. We're gonna clean off this gas here.
Didn't paint your bolts?
Hmm?
Didn't paint your bolts?
No.
I'm your huckleberry.
Should have got stainless.
They'll be stainless soon enough.
Sure. Or will they just be stained? Like they are. Yeah, that one's got a little bit of paint on it.
That one does too. The fact of the matter is that they're clean.
Cleaner. This isn't a rebuild, an overhaul. This is a
Refresh?
make it better. Which may or may not include running. Because honestly, if this one runs and it runs good, I may just like take that other motor and actually do a real rebuild on it. I can't figure out how to make a J-series. Sorry, but
Dumb question, but can you bore and stroke these?
yes.
Sounds like a good time to me.
I'm sorry, man, but 95 horsepower just isn't cutting it. Right under that says figure 51. Pressure regulator. The little thing you were holding exploded.
Sure, there's a lot of explosions going on in here.
I agree.
That's about 8 foot-pounds right there. I felt it.
The hell did you feel it with your eyes?
Yeah. I felt it in your strains and your facial expressions you're making.
I feel like it's more about 10 to 12, but we can get the torque wrench out and find out. What's amazing is I kept all these bolts together. They all match.
Any bonus parts yet?
No. I know of. See, they all say L for low oil pressure. Alright, well, that solves that conundrum. Actually, you need
Bright yellow gasket looks good on that black cover.
I'm not a fan of that either. I'm going to point that out. Now I need a gigantic screwdriver to make sure it still turns. Because nothing's a bigger head slapper than getting it all the way back in the car and realizing that there's something stuck in the fucking oil pump. Were you there for that?
I don't think so.
There was that time that me and Joey was messing around with that Jeep that Buck had. We bought a brand new oil pump for it. We put it in, we got it all back together, put it in the truck, and it got locked up. There was a tag that was supposed to be on the outside of the oil pump, was inside of the oil pump. They dropped it in at the factory. And it got wedged between the gears. And it wouldn't turn up. Isn't that crazy?
Sounds like that person should have been fired.
It was a melon oil pump. Pretty sure it was a melon. Yeah, I think it was a melon. Almost certain. It was an M. It was one of those really easy parts. I forgot what it was.
A big screwdriver.
It turns.
Feels smooth. Says feel smooth.
Sure. It feels like I'm trying to pump chewing gum, actually, but I'm sure it's that melon wool loop.
A little bit of heat created from all that horsepower, get it out of there.
Yeah, that and all the 0W20 I'm gonna fill it with.
Anyways, back over here to at this little Corvair engine. If y'all want to see the inner workings of a Flat 6, there you go. Ain't a whole lot to it. There is but drain. Air-cooled fan right there. The VW motor. I think Cody went and got the oil we're going to use for it. What we running in it?
Well, we went down to the DG. We had to get a couple of quarts of motor oil for it here. A lot of y'all might wonder, what's an old engine like this run? And I found that the best thing that you can run one of these old motors like this from a Corvair is 100% straight weight Swanson chicken broth.
That ought to clean up in there pretty good. And keep the walls nice and lubricated and be good for the main bearings. No. So what'd you all up?
Hopefully some of the oil pump. If not the little pressure regulator pin there. What's sucks about this straight white chicken broth here, it's just so lightweight. Look at that low viscosity there.
Precision installment. Like a glove. Kinda. It ain't down. There it goes.
Ooh, thought I was gonna have to get the hammer out. Alright. I'm not sure where the bolts are to this.
Sounds like it's time to Lincoln lock it.
I want to say these are. Maybe? That looks pretty close, doesn't it?
I can't think of any other reason why you'd have those bolts laying there.
I can. Well, I mean, like... Oh, wait, there's one out there. Never mind. Yeah, I appear to be missing some stuff if that's the case.
That happens.
I got that. Your washer. Missing one. Right there. And every one of the nuts, I guess, unless this is one of them.
To the hall.